Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how to make breast pumping more comfortable for mothers. Many mothers feel unsure in the beginning, but a few simple habits can make the pumping experience much easier. Before starting, it helps to prepare everything you need. Make sure the pump parts are clean and ready to use. Clean equipment helps keep the process safe and comfortable. It is also important to choose a relaxed and comfortable place. When your body feels calm, milk flow usually becomes easier. Sitting with good support for your back can help you stay comfortable during pumping. Some mothers find it helpful to gently massage the breast before starting. Light massage for a short time can help stimulate the body and prepare it for pumping. When you begin pumping, try to keep a gentle and steady rhythm. Starting slowly allows your body to respond naturally. There is no need to rush the process. If milk does not start flowing right away, do not worry. Sometimes the body simply needs a few minutes to respond. Staying relaxed and patient can help the process become smoother. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.